Hello guys, welcome to this new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money by just sitting at your home, sitting at your office, and you can do part-time job and earn passive income by just creating some simple designs. And if you are lucky, if your designs are selected, within 7 days guys, within 7 days your bank account is full of money. Okay, so how we can able to generate money from this website? So guys, worldwide in this website people are posting some of the contest. Okay, biggest companies are posting some of the contest, and if they like the designs of yours to them, then you got a money full. Okay, I just show you some screenshots and will give you a detail about those things. So guys, for logo designs you can earn up to $275 just one design, and there are several other contests. Okay, so let me just give you a glimpse about of it. So if you have participated, there are hundreds and hundreds of contests. So per logo design will give you $275. Okay, and if you multiply it, let us suppose from 100, 10 contests 10 people will like your logo. Okay, so when you multiply it, just guys, $275 in your pocket by just making simple logos. For logos, if you are from different background, if you are from web designing, you can choose web designing templates for web designing, free templates you can search and just post it on this website. So guys, it's the best way. So how we can generate it, what this website all about? Just give me a minute, that I'm just showing you how you can earn. If you're a good t-shirt designer, you can earn a good amount. Okay, if you are a good poster designer, you can earn. Okay, if you are a banner designer, mobile application designs, application icon design, desktop software designs, you can earn a good amount from this website guys. Good amount. Just from PowerPoint presentation you can see that $195. Okay, just from one design. So those people who can, guys, who are designers and all. Okay, otherwise if you are not a designer, you can still participate on this contest and give your work to some other client. Okay, you can visit upwork.com, fiverr.com, from which you can post $10 for logo design. Okay, you can hire a logo designer and just post your contest to that thing. Okay, so it's the best way guys. If you just let me do some calculation for you guys. If you have $10 with if you are just participating, I just show you. Okay, so $275 if you win the contest. Let us suppose you are giving $50 for creating website. Okay, $50. Okay, for creating logo. Okay, if you are not a good logo designer, you can hire a professional logo designers at just $50 on freelancer websites. Let us suppose fiverr.com, upwork.com, and there are many more. And just do write down in your comment section if you want to know about these fiverr.com and upwork.com, how to apply it. Just write it down on the comment section. Okay, I'll just show you step by step how you can do it if you comment it. Okay, so let us suppose you have posted $50. Okay, then you can earn $225, and whatever contest, let us suppose 10, then it's not bad guys. $225 by just doing nothing. You have not created it, you are just an intermediate person who don't know about this website. Okay, so I just wanna show you how you can able to earn good amount. Okay, so just sign in. Let's do the registration first. Okay, just click on this registration button and you can just add your details. Okay, I just want you to, I'm a designer. Okay, and you can write your username. Enter the password and your details. Okay, I'm not a robot. Just fill this captcha link. Okay, and just agree on these policies and just click on this registration button. Okay, so you can see that to complete the registration you need to verify your account. I just open my Google account. Okay, so in your account you can see that they are just giving you the link to activate your account. Just click on this link. Okay, and your account will get activated. Okay guys, as simple as it is. Okay, you can see your account is created. Okay, so we just do some registration process, guys. So just follow along this video. Okay, this information I don't want to put. I just want to put my details. Okay, just first name, last name. Okay, address. Your city code. Okay, just save your details, and you can see now if you are a design, if you want to do some design contest. Okay, now what you need to do, you just come up this my public profile. Okay, just come up in your public profile. You have successfully saved your details. Okay, so what I need to do first. Okay, you just see the contest, browse all the contest. Okay, just click on this browse all the contest. And you can see, guys, you can filter out. There are hundreds and hundreds and of contest, guys. Guaranteed means that the contest guarantees to choose a winner and realize the prize to the designer. Okay, release the prize so they are guaranteed, they are paying you. Don't worry, guys, your money is not wasted. Okay, you can see that hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of, you can see, guys, 440 pages. Okay, you can, you know, guys, every day, every single day, you can, if you are participating on different types of contests. Okay, whether it is from different backgrounds. Okay, I just do some filtration as well. Okay, you can just do some filtration. If you do some filtration on this, whether you are a web designer or so, you can see and check out lots and lots of things. If you are a designer, you do not need to do anything, guys. Okay, you just select your niche that is there and just apply it. And you can see that, guys, if I just do some logo design part. Okay, let me just check. If I just click logo design, okay, you can see that, guys, there are different types of contests for logo design. Okay, you can see they are earning a good amount, guys. Okay, these all contests are closed for now on. I can check out different application designs as well. Okay, there are mobile application designs. So icon design you can see. Okay, guaranteed they are paying you a good amount, guys. Okay, just click on this buytheworld.com. Okay, and you can see, guys, how you can able to do it. Okay, you can see there are lots and lots of mobile designs, okay, which you can make by just free. Okay, you can make by free. They are just doing churning. You can see the specification, what they are, what they want to know about your application designs. Okay, you can just see the description. Okay, what type of specifications do we need to do, and you can get your payment by PayPal, Pioneer. I just want you to prefer with this PayPal account. Okay, you can see that what type of niche they want to add. There are some files that you can download, what type of designs they want to know. If you're a good designer, guys, you can earn a good amount. Okay, you can earn definitely a good amount if you are a best designer, and you can make, you can see that, guys, 795 they have paid, okay, to 76 customers. Okay, they are not, you know, guys, they are not that much that they are not paying you. It's one of the genuine website, and you can hang around and see there are different contests. You can participate on different contests, and you can apply on these fiverr.com. Okay, you can apply in this fiverr.com. It's an online guys, it's an online freelancing website where you can post your logo design project. Okay, just you don't need to do anything. You just post this project, this description of your project, and guys, in the whole world they are just, you can see, guys, if you can search logo web design. Okay, I should select web design. Okay, so it is a web design. So you can see, guys, you can see a good amount from them. Okay, we have to see some people who are just, let me just make it dollar. Okay, so you can see, guys, you can select people who you can see that it is also a web designer. Okay, just in $140 he can create you a great type of projects. Okay, so you can post these this profile, this project, and people are, you know, bidding them that we can do it in $150. If this contest is of $600, guys, if this contest is of $600, okay, $600 if it is, and if you are spending $150, okay, just one contest, I should say, guys, $450 in your pocket, it's very good. Okay, it's far more better than anything, just from one contest, guys. You do not need to design manually. You are developing, you know, you are designing for someone else. You just know about this website. Okay, you just post their design on this website and you are getting paid. Why? There is a, if you are asking me that sir, there is a great chance of failure, so I just recommend you to have a look on these customers who have really did a job very well. Okay, you can hire those people and you can post it and can earn a good amount. Okay, guys, it's the valuable website. Okay, I just gave you another website link as well, Upwork. Okay, oh sorry, Upwork. Okay, it's Upwork. I just gave the description of these websites on my description box, so don't worry. Okay, you can post it, guys. You can see that, guys, $90 per hour you can buy. It's a good amount, guys. Okay, you can just log in it, hang it around, and you can post your project, and good companies are, you know, guys, partners with these companies. So if you want to learn about the freelancing websites as well, So just comment down below. I just show you the step-by-step process of how to apply on these fever if you don't know. Okay, and just hit the like button guys, and just subscribe to my channel so that I can make best videos for you and give you more insights on how to apply online. Okay, how to earn money online, how to do investment strategies. Okay, just hit the bell icon and just subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.